Hello everybody, and welcome to the Shaper 3D sketching tutorial. My name is Claas Kuhnen. I'm a design faculty at Wayne State University, teaching in industrial and interior design. I also run my own design consultancy, Studio Kuhnen, with national and international clients. This video is dedicated to take a closer look at what sketches are and how they work in Shaper 3D. Through various chapters, we will learn about how to create and manipulate sketches, how you can create geometry from sketches, different methods using sketches to detail your design, and how adjustments to your sketches will drive your design with the history based parametric modeling system in Shaper 3D. For this, I prepared many example demonstrations. You will see that working with sketches and history based parametric modeling in Shaper 3D is incredibly intuitive and very easy to learn. And with all that said, let's do it.